Natural disasters such as floods and droughts have become an all too familiar part of our news broadcasts, impacting both developing countries in Asia and Africa and developed nations alike. Recent examples like Cyclone Idai and Cyclone Freddy underscore the devastating impact of these disasters. The increased intensity and frequency of such events emphasize that the consequences of climate change are not a distant future concern, but an urgent issue affecting both our well-being and the health of ecosystems. Yet, amid the challenges, there is hope. Instead of resigning ourselves to the impacts of these disasters, we must adapt, mitigate, and consciously shift our approach to how we interact with the world. There is a critical need to change how we build and manage infrastructure, how we exploit resources, and that's where our project comes in. Rhodes University's Institute of Water Research has secured a 3-year grant titled Nature-Based Solutions for African Climate Resilience as part of the Erasmus Capacity Building for Higher Education initiative. Collaborating with universities in South Africa and Senegal and involving European Union partners, the initiative emphasizes revision of higher education institution curricula with courses on nature-based solutions, real-life assignments involving stakeholders, and ethics in innovation. The project will specifically focus on updating and contextualizing environmental science and civil engineering curricula by and for Africans.
Les solutions fondées sur la nature sont définies par l'UICN comme des actions visant à protéger, à gérer durablement et à restaurer les écosystèmes naturels ou modifiés afin de répondre durablement aux défis sociétaux de manière efficace et adaptative, tout en assurant le bien-être humain et en produisant des bénéfices pour la biodiversité. Grâce au nouveau paradigme de développement qu'elles promeuvent, les solutions fondées sur la nature ouvrent un certain nombre d'opportunités pour les pays africains.
Our project focuses on integrated design, merging engineering principles with ecosystem requirements. Unlike traditional solutions that often ignore broader impacts, we strive for infrastructure that meets not only engineering goals, but also societal and ecosystem goals.
Our project represents a global trend of learning from nature, finding solutions in its tried and tested methods, promoting resilient and sustainable ways of being.
Grounded in scientific, social, and economic principles, the project challenges the business-as-usual approach to infrastructure development and encourages both students and professionals to question traditional solutions in development. Stakeholder involvement in our project will ensure that the project outputs have local relevance, they address climate change impacts, and retain talent in Africa as an outcome.
We acknowledge that the way forward is not simple. There are barriers, both political and social, that could prevent the realization of these innovative solutions, and therefore conscious inclusion of stakeholders is essential. Despite these challenges, our project is a testament to universities across Africa coming together with the belief that together we can build a sustainable future and ensure a harmonious coexistence between humanity and the environment.